previous video, I showed you how we are processing Starushina grape that we were harvesting yesterday. The processed berries, we put them in this tank, number 8. It is like infinity, yeah? We put them here in this tank, and at the moment the juice is in contact with the skin of the grape. Thus the juice is now extracting the color which is under the skin of the grape. And our goal is to come to exactly this color, like our last year's Starushina Rosé. And after several hours, we think that we are right at this moment, at that point of time when we should extract the juice out of this tank. This is Nana, our winemaker, and this is Neven, our junior winemaker. And why he has this gloves on him is just he wants to show what the color should be for this Rosé. But we think that we will have this year great Starushina Rosé, and we are happy about that. It's for your enjoyment, huh? Cheers.
Cheers.